Okay, we have our first exam coming up, so I thought I would make a short video just to kind of go over what the exam will look like. So you'll be doing this in tests and quizzes in La Lima, and as you know, when you go to tests and quizzes, this is how you would see it. It looks like this. And so right now, you're not seeing the exam, but you are going to see the exam starting on the 11th on Monday at midnight. So either very late Sunday night or very early Monday morning, you can log in and see the exam. Now, the way that it will look is that you'll see, so right now you see all the assignments. So all the assignments for the semester, with maybe the exception of one more, topic 11, all the assignments are now posted. So you could actually work further ahead if you wanted to. But you'll then see exam 1. Exam 1, as you can kind of see here, is going to be made available on February the 11th. That would be Monday at midnight, so that would mean late Sunday night, early Monday morning. And the important thing here would be is that you then have until February 17th, that would be Sunday at 11:55 p.m. So basically, your next week's job is to take this exam. That is the only thing that you need to do. Let's take a look of, I like to do this, if only because it helps kind of you to know what to expect. So as the professor, I make the settings then for the exam. And let me just give you an overview of what it looks like. First, that you will only have one attempt to do it. So that's important. You have only one attempt to do it. As you see, it's available starting on February the 11th at midnight. It is due then next Sunday, the 17th at 11:55 p.m. Also important to note here is that you do have a 2-hour time limit. You have a 2-hour time limit. No late submissions, so you need to get it done by that point. You have plenty of time. So if you know you're off island, no internet, nothing, then you should send me an email. You will see for each question that's given to you, you will see how many points it is worth. Since there's only one time, it's just going to tell you what the score is. In terms of the feedback will be given to you the day after. So Monday night at 11:55 p.m. That will give me a chance to review the exams and to grade the short answer questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just do an overview of what this kind of thing then looks like here. So again, you'll start to see this exam starting on the 11th. But I want to just give you a bit of an overview here of what this looks like. So when you start to take the exam, it'll look like this. Again, highlighting for you that it's due on the 17th at 11:55 p.m. and that you have 2 hours to complete it. As you can see here, you'll need to start this exam then by 9:55 p.m. on the 17th to be able to finish it in time. And it's going to be submitted at 11:55 p.m. whether you've finished it or not. So start it early enough if you're waiting to the last minute. I did not want that. And so then the way that it will look, and we'll just do the first question here so that you can kind of see it, is that you'll see that there are 38 questions. The final questions, though, there are some short answer questions. But basically, this is designed to look just like your homework assignments, I hope. That's my intent here. There will be a few questions that are repeated from the homework assignments, but pretty much this will be, in this case, you'll be making selections, then hitting next. Or you could hit save and then come back to it. But basically, you're just working through it one question at a time. And then you'll see that these final points here are the ones that are worth many more points. And the exam as a whole is worth 100 points. Okay, so that should give you a pretty good overview of what to expect starting on Sunday night, but then email me as the week goes on if you have any questions about how to do the exam.